Guys, we are back here with my parents, my mom and my sister right there, and we're gonna harvest some talong. This one is big, so let's go harvest it right there. You see this? This is our eggplant, and we're gonna put it in here in the basket, and let's collect even more. There. There. Siya, halika dito. Wait guys, I'm calling my sister. Come here. Come help me get some talong. There is my sister. She gonna help me. And we're gonna get this. There. And there. We have two. There's my mom. And there's the biggest one. Look at this. Damn, bro. We got so many. And yeah, this is small. But this right there, lingpad. Right there. Ako na. And right here. And there are two, right? Yeah, we got two right here, right there. And we got these two again. And we got so many already. Ready. And this one right here too. Right there. And there is a big one here again. Do you see this? There. And this. It's so hard, guys. Let's go. Got some eggplants. My favorite. And there is more right here. And there. They got two from here. And there's more growing there. There. Got one. And right here. Let's see if there is more. That is small yet. And this one is a good size. And there we got another one. We got so many eggplants, bro. There. And let's get this. Let's get this basket. And we're going up right here. Because there is one right here. Ah, there we go. There one. And let's go back into there in the other side too. There's my mom there. Where's the eggplant?
Sige, puro-puro namin subungan. Spray ako.
Amen, ganun malag.
Amin nasarag to. Ipay lang ako na natin matarap.
Ila ako.
Malaliwit trabaho to sa ni. Yung malalaki lang po din mo.
There.
Kasi naupo to niyan ka po lang.
Tagay.
Wala sakit ko.
There, I am cutting up some leaves because with bacteria. There is. And there is one there. I'm cutting out some leaves with damage. There is one right there. There. That part has been eaten. There are more. This one. And this one. Yeah, there is nothing. So let's go. And cutting up more.
Lalaki na. Dahil bigis mo ba aso? Ha? Bigis. Bigis ko nga.
There is one right here. This guy is hard to get. Right there. There. There is one right here. One. And there is another one right here. Hindi mo ito nakita mo.
Kita ko lang ako.
There is more right there. And I'm collecting it.
Hindi ba rin? Iyawi mo yung lalagyan. Kulang amoy lalagyan ta sa uwan.
And there is cut up some leaves. Malilit po yan, sabi ni Popo. Malilit po yan, sabi ni Popo.
Oo. Ito ngayon.
Ay, hindi ko kita.
Oo, may bigis na yun.
Yung?
Baby yun. Hindi mo lang yun.
I'm cutting up some.
Kung magkata na ako, ate,
Hindi. And there is no more left. And let's go to this in the okra side. Harvest pa tayo na ano? Okra, tas sili. Sili din. Okay. They are all matigas. How about this? Matigas na. Small. Oh, this one is perfect. And this. This one is perfect. Matigas na. What this? This one is good right here. Umuti pa pala ako. Kalagutan. Huwag yung malalaki. This one. There's a big one. And there. Let's go pick up some okra. That is one, and there is two. And right here, there is three, and there is four. Four okra. Ouch, wait, my guys, my hand hurts. Ouch. And these two. Yeah. Bye guys. I have to do something. Bye. I'm gonna send you the others later. Bye.